On this episode of YaEat, we will be making linguini with white clam sauce. This is a very light, very quick, and very delicious recipe. You're not going to want to miss it.
Spend some time with your family and watch this recipe, and make sure you watch to the end.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our 49th episode of YaEat. This is also our second season and our first episode in our second season. Thank you for all your support, and thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So I didn't broadcast the recipe last week. I hope that you missed me. I was relaxing upstate New York at Lake George. It's a beautiful place. I've never been. So if you happen to live in the Northeast area, or you're looking for a really wonderful place to go to, I would definitely recommend Lake George, New York. So anyway, with that said, it's super hot today. It's really, really hot. So I wanted to not put too much stuff on in the kitchen. So I thought something really light, and we're going to make some linguini with white clam sauce. And it's going to be really easy, really quick, and really delicious. So I'm ready. I'm really excited to make some linguini with white clam sauce. Are you ready? Here we go. Print all our recipes on YaEat.tv. So we're soaking the clams in some water and some sea salt so we can get all the sand out of them. We're going to do this for about a half hour. You could do it a little bit longer. I'm going to just put them in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're just going to place these in the refrigerator. Okay, we let the clams soak for about an hour. Now I'm just going to rinse them a couple of times. Okay, so now we're going to put on our water for the linguini. Handful of salt. The way we cut the garlic is your preference. You could chop it up, you could slice it. Sometimes I like to do it sliced, sometimes I like to do it chopped. I think today I'm going to do like a half a slice. Now when I was younger, we didn't always my parents didn't really make linguini with clam sauce that often, although my dad really liked linguini with red clam sauce. But we would always cook like the clams whole, like make a zuppa de clams or a zuppa de mussels or just a zuppa de pêche. And then we would serve that over linguini, and that would usually be with a red-based sauce. So I'm going to add a little extra virgin olive oil to the saute pan. And we're going to saute the garlic with some parsley stems, chopped up parsley stems. Let's throw that garlic in here. We're just going to cut the tips off of these and discard them. There's a lot of flavor in here. A lot of this usually goes in the garbage. So we're going to cook the garlic and the parsley on kind of a low heat and cook it slowly. And the rest of the parsley we're going to use for later. Now, when I went to culinary school, one of the tricks that they taught us was it was more manageable to handle the parsley when it was dry. So they would tell us to put it inside a cloth and squeeze all the moisture out. But then what they were doing is actually taking all of the protein, all of the flavor out of the parsley, basically making it useless. Now, we don't need all this parsley, but I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flake. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And also some black pepper. Okay, this is smelling really good right now. The only thing we have to do now is the garlic's almost cooked and ready to go. I'm going to add the clams. I'm going to glaze the pan with some Pinot Grigio. Now you can use any kind of wine that you like. I don't really drink that much wine, so I buy these small bottles because then it goes bad on me if I don't use it on the recipe. I'm sure I can find some volunteers to drink the wine for me. One is boiling, so I'm going to throw our linguine in.
When adding the linguine to the water, you want to make sure you submerge it immediately and make sure it's coated completely in the water to avoid the pasta sticking together.
And our garlic's going to brown now, so we're going to add the wine. And we're going to turn the heat up. We're going to cover. We're going to add some, I shook this clam juice already, we're going to add some clam juice as well. And we're going to cover. By the time the clam's open, the pasta will be ready to go.
Make sure that you stir the pasta.
So what I'm doing is going to cook the pasta about, obviously I want my pasta al dente, but I'm going to cook it about 75 to 80%. And I'm going to finish cooking it in the clam sauce. Now, if you like, sometimes I'll add some butter. This recipe, I'm not adding any butter today, but you could add some butter to your liking if you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the clams once they open. I'm going to take some of the clams out of the shells. I'm going to mix them back in with the pasta, and I'm going to cook the pasta in the sauce for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to make some room for them to open.
Well, I did mention it was hot, so my camera did go out again. Here's a good time for us to talk about our promotion. We're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and once we reach the 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving out each month a new kitchen item. All you need to do to qualify to win each month is to subscribe to our YouTube channel one time and like at least one of our video recipes.
Okay, so my camera went out again as I was taking the clams out. What I did was I added the pasta. It was very al dente, about 80% cooked. And now it's al dente. We're ready to take it out. I'm going to separate some of these clams and put them back into the pasta. And then the rest I'll use as a garnish on the plate. Keep about a dozen or so. Okay, so before we wrap this up, we're just going to add some fresh parsley. Just a little bit here, and then we'll add some more on top.
Don't overdo it with the parsley. So many times people put too much parsley. You could always add more if you like. So to put this on the plate, we're just going to add the pasta. We'll place the clams that are in the shells around the plate and make sure that they're all open and nicely presented. And we'll take the clams that we removed from the shell and place them in the center over the pasta. We will add some of this delicious clam sauce.
And we'll finish off with a little parsley.
And a little bit of the fresh black pepper. Linguini with white clam sauce. You eat, you want to eat, make this recipe. It's delicious.
Okay, that wraps it up. The whole recipe took me about 20 minutes. Now you can get little, even small clams. These little neck clams, they're a little bit on the larger side, but I like them. They're very plump. But, there's going to be less of them, but when you do eat it, you're going to definitely know that you're eating clam. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Actually, the only time I would ever get to eat this is when I would go out to dinner, which was really rare with my family or my parents. This is one of my favorite dishes, that and the veal parm when I was growing up. Well, that wraps up this week's recipe of linguine and white clam sauce. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I really enjoyed it. We will be back next week with a new recipe. Thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to say something, I would love to hear from you. If you're watching my recipes, send me a comment. Say, hey Dave, how you doing? I'll reply back to you. I will. All right, so thanks for joining me. We'll see you next week, and have a great week.
Here's an offer you shouldn't refuse. Subscribe to this channel.